Today we are going to the Sky City Mall to watch De De Pyar De, and I heard that the theater is awesome. So stay with me till the end of this vlog to know what all I do there. Oh, we already got late, Joy.
I exactly got 18 minutes to reach.
Yes, so will you be able to reach by that time?
See, more than a movie, you're going to experience the theater. So even if you miss the first portion of the movie, I don't think we care much.
Yeah, today we really don't care much because he is late and not me. If I would have been late, oh God, what Joy would have done at that time. Anyways, let us reach now. Let's reach the mall. We already got so much late today. Now going towards the theater.
So we finally reached the theater and Joy is running, as you all can see. He's walking very fast. And this theater was previously little far from our house. But right now in this mall, the Inox Megaplex has come. And we are so happy. It's so near to our house.
It's a super movie, and as usual, the second part is very good and we are enjoying a lot.
I used to remember that previously when I used to go to the Gold Theatre, I used to spend 1 hour. And now it's just a click of 10 to 15 minutes. Hence, I'm so happy coming here and watching movie.
After the movie now, we are in the food court because not feeling, hungry so much since we ate nachos and popcorns in the movie theater. So we will have something from the Taco Bell now. Let's see what we are having.
I didn't like the veg balls much, but the tacos were yummy. And y'all can see how we both are very hungry and we both are enjoying the food. And Joy is simply enjoying the burger. After this, we will go for a coffee.
I'm in my most favorite place, you all know it's Starbucks. And there is no place to take any Christmas collection in my house right now. Hence, I have taken a keychain for Christmas from Starbucks. And will be sharing with all of you once I reach home.
In this Starbucks, this is one of the best places where you can have a good view of the mall. Hence, Joy is simply enjoying the view. You all can see that. And the coffee as well.
So full, so we are only having coffee now.
Finally, I've started my shopping and the first store that I visited is Nykaa Luxury.
I'm in Estee Lauder taking my night cream.
What can be better than a body shop when you require a lip balm with a very less tint?
I'm in the body shop right now, buying a serum for Joy.
While I was taking the lip balm, I remembered that the serum which Joy used at night got over. Hence, I took it for him because I know that he will never buy for himself. Finally, I'm in that store. If I don't come here, my shopping remains incomplete.
I'm in my favorite Bombay store now and we have got loveliest of collections.
What a wow collection, right? Yes, each and every corner of Bombay store is where my heart is. I simply love this store. It is so colorful, vibrant, and so positive. We are almost at the end of our shopping and now it's time to go home.
Reached home just now. I will be sharing with all of you what all I have shopped today.
I took this beautiful pair of elephant figure from the Bombay store and this peacock. They both are so colorful and lovely. I'm thinking, where will I decorate this in the house? And this is the Christmas keychain which I took from Starbucks. And this is another bag which I took from the Bombay store. I loved it, hence I took it. It is very nice and beautiful. And this I took from the DIY store. It's a jewelry box. And I was in DIY store also. I couldn't do too much of shooting over there because it was very crowded. I took this jewelry box as well as this bag. This is a gift bag, but I loved it so much that I'll use it whenever I'm going out. And this is the serum which I took for Joy. And this is a hand cream with a beautiful fragrance of almond milk. And finally, this is my lip balm. Yes, my favorite lip balm, which has got less tint. And this is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme cream which I'm using at night. You all know I've already shared with you all before. So this one I took from Nykaa Luxury.
That's all for today. I've shared with all of you what all I've shopped today from the Sky City Mall. And with that note, I will be back with a new video really soon. Till then, keep watching Welcome to My World. Bye.